Hey everybody, welcome back. So recently the nice people at AstroAI reached out to me and asked me if I would like to test their brand new portable car air pump or inflator for just about anything you need to pump up full of air. This is their model Airun L4. It should be available by the time you see this video, and they did send this to me for the purpose of this review. Now they claim that this has a 6600 milliamp hour battery that can meet the needs of 3 tires to be inflated from 0 to 36, or 12 tires to be refilled from 30 to 36. And they're talking about a 195/65 tire, and that is from 0 to 36 psi in 7 minutes, or from 30 to 36 psi in 1 minute. It also has a dual digital display, meaning one part of the display will show what the tire is currently at, and the other side part of the display will show what you have set it to pump up to. So let's get it out of the package and let's take a look at it. I'm interested in seeing what it looks like. What do we got here? We have a thank you card, which probably has how to contact them in a bunch of different languages, and that's what that is. We have a manual, which hopefully has some nice pictures and is probably also in a number of different languages. Yes, absolutely has some nice pictures, tells you how to connect it, how to preset it, how to start and stop inflation, and how to take care of it and troubleshoot problems, and the 2-year warranty. Has a 2-year limited warranty. Comes with a really nice, thick, heavy carry bag, which I like to keep everything together. There's the device itself. We have a little pocket here. We have some extra needles and inflators for balls and air mattresses and things like that. We have the tire chuck that has the quick release connection on one end and where you thread it into the other end, and that has a nice rubbery grippy thing on it. That's kind of nice. And let's get it out of there and let's see what it looks like. Oh, and we also have a USB, I'm sure it's a USB-C, yes, USB-C charging cable. And this can also be used as a power bank to charge up your phone or your tablet. And I have not charged it yet, but let's see if it has some charge in it. I will be fully charging it before we attempt to use it. So there we go. Focus camera. It currently is set to PSI. The bottom readout obviously is the preset. The top readout is what the current pressure is. We can go from car to motorcycle to bicycle, and you can see the preset changes to ball, and then to a little kind of human silhouette, which is something you can make custom for whatever you want. And if we hold this down, it switches between PSI to bar to kilopascals, I believe that is, something I've never really used, to kilograms per centimeter, something else which I don't use. Being in America, we use all the imperial SAE measurements. So battery shows full, but like I say, I will be completely charging it up. Our left to right rockers control the preset. We can move it up and down to wherever we want it. And the top button turns, I believe, the flashlight on and off. On the top of this, we have the flashlight. We have where you screw the inflator in. We have a USB-A and a USB-C. And as I said, this can be used to charge your phone as well. So let's try the flashlight. That is this button here. There is the flashlight. It also blinks red slow, and if you press again, blinks red fast. And then if you hold it down for a few seconds, it switches itself off. It also turns itself off after 90 seconds of no use. There really is nothing else to see on it. We have some air vents on the bottom and a tag on the back, and that's pretty much it. We are out at my old 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now keep in mind that the tires they gave time specs for in pumping up were a or a 195 by 75 15. And these, you probably can't read it, are 225 70/16s. So these are not going to be as fast to fill as the ones they spec. So this sat on the charger all night long. Let's hook it up. Let's turn it on. And I'd like to tell you that I let all the air out of this tire, but quite frankly, when I took the cover off, I found it to be flat. So it's telling me zero pressure in it. We're going to go to 36. Let's start it, and let's start the timer. All right, there you go. 12 minutes and 30 seconds roughly to get the 225 70/16 from 0 to 36 psi. Another thing I would like to note is the current temperature out where I live. It is what, 8:43 in the morning, and it's 99 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to go to 111. 99 is what, 30? I don't know. Anyway, in Celsius, and we're going to 111. So that was quite the workout for the little thing. Let's see, and we're down 1 bar of battery power here. Let's see if it will pump the other tires up. Now, I happen to know, well, that's not even that hot. I can easily hold that. I happen to know that all these tires are low. So let's see what they are, and let's bring them back up to 36. All right, this one's at 28. Let's go. There we go. That was 3 minutes and 15 seconds plus the 20 seconds it took me to get the timer started. Same thing, I'm 26 and a half, and we're down to only 1 bar of battery life, so I'm guessing we're not going to get all 4. Let's still chugging along. 36 at 4 minutes and change. That's not bad. Still showing 1 bar of battery life. Let's set the phone down. And this one's at 27 pounds. And we'll see how far it can go. Battery light's flashing now, battery indicator. And we are getting noticeably slower. Let's see if we can get to 36. Nope, 34 and a half, and the battery cut out. Okay, honestly, that's not too bad. I'm gonna charge it up and finish this up, and I'll be back. Okay, for the record, it took a little over 4 hours to charge this from fully discharged to fully charged. So let's now see how long it takes this to go from 27.5 to 36. So start and start the timer. There you go, 3 minutes and 2 seconds to go from 27.5 to 36 for a 225 70/16 tire. Not too bad, really. I think that's pretty good. And the fact that it's doing it right now in 111 degree weather, because it is now like 1:30 in the afternoon, and it's 111 degrees Fahrenheit out. One other thing worthy of note, I think, is when you plug it in to charge, it shows the flashing battery indicator and a little green light with the word in, meaning it's taking power in. And when you like charge a phone with it, it turns the battery indicator on and a little red light with the word out appears. So there you have it, my friends. That is the AstroAI Airun L4 portable rechargeable inflator. I do have to admit that I was pretty impressed with it. Not only did the battery last longer than I thought it would, and it inflated larger tires than what it claims it does, it actually did it all really well, and I was impressed. One of the things that really impressed me is that it ran non-stop for close to 20 minutes. It's full battery power in the 110-degree desert heat, and it never once overheated and shut itself off. I have had so many compressors that cannot run here in the summertime in Arizona. They'll run for 6, 8, 7 minutes, and that's all they got. And you got to put them in the shade and let them cool off. This one had no issues at all, and it never really got hot to the touch, except for this metal part here, which they have kindly covered with a silicone cover. Anyway, I want to thank AstroAI for sending this out for me to test and review. Thanks to you guys for watching my videos, and there will be links, affiliate links of course, below. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.